So a couple days ago, a friend of ours reached out and said, Ken, I've got something in Winter Park that you have to take a look at. I've been spending the past year or so finishing up this remarkable house. It's 9,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 6.5 baths, and has some things that I've never seen here in Central Florida. So I'm excited to take you on a tour of 1001 Anchorage Court. Let's take a look. So the first thing you see when you come in the door here is, for one, it's just super bright and airy. You've got a ton of windows all the way around. You've got 24 by 24 Thassos tile with granite inlay all on the main level. There's like $250,000 in tile here. One of the cool things I like about the layout though is you've got a dual office setup. So whether you work from home or you own your own business, it's a fantastic opportunity because you've got one up front on both sides of the house. Right at the main part of the house, you've got this 18-foot great room that really connects the kitchen, the bedrooms, and upstairs, and the basement, which is amazing. I can't wait to show you that. But you've got these 2 slabs in here. They had to bring in a crane just to put together this natural fireplace. It's really your first impression as you're walking through that front door. You've got an amazing view of your yard, your pool area, all the way to the kitchen. It just makes this house really accessible, even though you're in 9,000 square feet. So right off the great room, we've got the wine room here and a half bath, so easily accessible for guests. Over here, you got your formal dining room, and then you've got your laundry on this level that connects to 2 of the 4 garages, and those garage doors are incredible. Check out these mirrored doors that roll up. All right, so let's spend some time in this designer kitchen because there's a lot of things to unpack in here. So you've got really this cool tone high gloss versus the matte off-white down below, and it gives you a really cool like warm versus high gloss vibe that I kind of love. You've got the Wolf microwave and espresso machine. You got the La Corneau range and mirrored hood. There's a lot of cool like hidden things here, like your wine fridge, cabinet level finishes on both the fridge and the freezer, as well as the microwave, as well as the dishwasher. One of my favorite things about the layout in general of this house is you've got this amazing kitchen, right? And then it attaches to the breakfast nook and the family room. But you can have this feel really, really intimate, or you can open it up all the way into the formal dining room and the great room. It's a fantastic spot to either entertain or close it up and make it feel like an intimate home for your family. All right, so let's finish off the rest of the main level of the house. Right over here, we've got the man's den / office. You've got the hammered sink over here in your wet bar inlay. And again, they brought the high gloss finish back all the way through, the same cabinet level finish really throughout the whole house by Sergay. All right, so I told you there's a few things in this house that you probably haven't seen in other homes. And let's start here in the primary bedroom on the main level. You've got the gas fireplace right here inside the bedroom for the couple weeks a year that we might need it. But take a look at this closet. All right, so I don't know about you, but this feels like, to me, like a high-end shopping experience right at home. So again, they brought the cabinet level finishes throughout, really able to display your clothes, your purses, your shoes, that sort of thing. And so there's actually 2 closets in the primary bedroom. Well, let's take a look at the bath. You've got a mirror finished stainless steel tub. I don't know about you, but I haven't seen this before. I was gonna get in it, but I was like afraid to smudge it at first. But if this is you at home, this is a really cool statement piece. Then you've got dual sinks on both sides. Again, custom imported, and his and hers showers with body jets, rainfall. You've got the wand that comes down. This is just like a spa experience from your closet, your tub, all the way through. All right, so finishing out this side of the house, should we take them upstairs or should we take them to the basement? Yeah, the basement. Come take a look. One of the things, if you're from up north, you're used to having a basement, but here in Central Florida, it's really rare to see a basement with this tall of ceilings and not just kind of like a cellar in someone's basement. And so you've got a lot of beautiful finishes down here. You've got a workout center, you've got a bathroom down here to take care of yourself in terms of a gym, in-wall humidifier, and a lot of really great finishes to make this an amazing addition to the living space that's already upstairs. All right, so before we take you outside, let's take you upstairs to show you the additional 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, and the elevated patio. Come on, take a look. A lot of times on the second level, developers won't spend a lot on the finishes like the 8-foot doors and really the bathrooms finishing out. But one thing I love about this house is that every single bedroom, every bathroom is finished to the same level that we saw on the main level, in the kitchen, and in the primary. The 2 ensuites that are towards the back of the house have a really cool feature. They've got the outside access to get over to the elevated patio over here, and they finished it out really nice as well. So many times they'll just have like the membrane here, and it's just kind of like a not usable space, but this is plenty of extra outdoor space that you're gonna absolutely love to be able to use to overlook your half-acre lot. All right, so last but not least, come on, let's take a look at this outdoor living space, because it wouldn't be Florida if we didn't have some amazing outdoor space to enjoy the weather. So overlooking the pool, you've got these other 24 by 24 tiles that kind of bring in some of the inside finishes outside with the AstroTurf inlay. You've got the Pebble Tech pool. It's over 32 feet long with the jacuzzi and spa, little putting green, and the outdoor kitchen dining. Every room you walk in, it's remarkable how much craftsmanship has been put into this house, from the trim package to the finishes throughout. You've got the quartz inlaid travertine governor's driveway throughout the front, and just so many remarkable things throughout that I think you're gonna absolutely love this house when you see it in person. There's so many things to love about this house, including the proximity that it has here in Winter Park. You're just 2 minutes away from Park Ave and all of the shops and dining experience, the farmer's market and all of that. Then you're maybe 15 minutes from the executive airport. So proximity-wise, this house is remarkable. All right, so if you want to get in touch to see this property in person, make sure you shoot me an email at ken@pozekgroup.com. The property is going to be listed somewhere in the 7 millions. And so if you have questions about it or you want to see it in person, make sure you reach out. And again, make sure you hit that subscribe button, as we're putting out new videos about life in Central Florida every single week. And we'll see you guys on the next video.